Hi guys, so today I want to show you how to create a trading strategy with DeepSeek AI. So DeepSeek is the newest AI out of China and is doing a lot of magic for people in different fields. And today I want to bring DeepSeek into trading. So let's go. So I've already got AI strategies on the channel that was created by ChatGPT. So now I'm going to use DeepSeek to do the same thing, and let's see. This is just going to be very nice and experimental. So we're going to get into it now. So first of all, I'm on my chart here on Trading View. We're going to use Trading View for this, and we're going to use Pine Script. This is Pine Editor down here. This is what we're going to use for this. So I'm just going to start now. Yeah. So what we're going to do is I'm going to come in my trading view here, like I'm here, and I'm going to go down to the menu here. I'll go to Pine Editor. So this is where the codes are going to be. And this is what's going to happen. I'm going to lift this up a little bit to expand the code session. I'm going to click in here. I'm going to do Control A or Command A if you're on a Mac machine and delete all the code there. There's nothing that is empty. The Pine Editor is empty. Now this is what we're going to do. We are now going to go to DeepSeek and ask DeepSeek to write us a code, a trading strategy that is profitable. So this is DeepSeek. All you have to do is go on the website. It's going to ask you to register. It's very simple to register and you're started. It's not difficult. So I'm already in DeepSeek. Let's go. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to ask DeepSeek to create me a trading strategy. So I'll just go, please create me a trading strategy in trading view for trading strategy for trading view. I will again say, please, this should be the most profitable. Yeah, the most profitable strategy out there. That's all. Enter. So DeepSeek is currently working. It's giving us an intro of the strategy it's going to create. What I'm seeing here is, I think it's trying to create a strategy using the moving averages, because I'm seeing things like RSI, 50th EMA. So we're just going to wait for ChatGPT, for DeepSeek to do what it wants to do. Now it's done. It's giving us the code now. So when the code is finished, all we're going to do is we're going to copy the code and go back to trading view and paste the code in trading view. So I think the code is done now. So it's telling us how to use it. It says copy and paste the PineScript code into TradingView's PineScript editor. Add the script to your chart. Backtest the strategy on different time frames. And also on the asset. All right, I get it. That's fine. So yeah. So let's go. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to copy the strategy here, copy, and I'm going to paste it in TradingView. So I'm here now. Pine Editor is empty. If there was a code already here, you're going to click and delete all the code. Control A, delete everything. So, but now it's free. So I'm going to paste in here. So I've pasted all the code I copied from DeepSeek. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add it to the chart. So if we come here, it says add to chart. So that's what I've done. I've added it to the chart. All right. So let me take you to the chart first. So this is what is done. If you look at the chart, yeah, so it bought at the top here, it sold here, it bought here, it sold here. Yeah, so you can see it's using two moving averages. and also the RSI. That's what it's using currently. All right. So let me go back to, this is Pine Editor. This is where the codes are. And our next menu is Strategy Tester. This is why it's going to give you the details of the strategy. So I'm going to lift it up a little bit to get more room. All right. So it's saying this strategy that DeepSeek gave us is 34.9% profitable. So technically, it means this is not a very profitable strategy. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to try and tweak it a little bit. I'm going to try and see if I can change a few things, play with some of the parameters to see if we can make it more profitable. So first of all, I'm going to come on top here, settings, and I'm going to change a few things. So the initial capital here is a law. I want to make it something a bit more like something we can properly understand. So I'm going to make it 1K. So base currency, I'll just leave it USD. Order size, I'm going to make it percentage, and I'll say 20% of our capital. That's very risky anyway. Yeah. And pyramiding, let me put it on 5. Okay. Now, what I've done would not significantly change anything because we still are, this is now 33. But first of all, I'm just going to take you through a bit of data we got here. So this strategy took 2,569 trades. And actually, this is the winning trade, 869, and this is the losing trade, 1698. So this is proof that it's not so great. So we have to be changing things up until we arrive at some good statistics. So matter of fact, this strategy is not ready to use yet. It still needs work to be done on it. Okay, so strategy tester, this is performance, this is overview. All right, so I'm going to change the time frame. Let's see if we can get something better. So I'll go to 4 hours. 4 hours says 38%, and it's kind of giving us some cool profit there. So on the 4 hours, it's saying with a 10,000 deposit, it's making 7,500 and something. That's quite a lot of profit on a 10,000. Yeah. Let me look at the data. So trade analysis. Yeah, it still lost more trades than it won. I'm guessing probably the amount of trades it won, the money it won is quite more than the money that was lost. Yeah, but no problem. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do now is that's on the 4-hour chart. So let me go to the daily chart and see. So it still made some money here on daily. Let me go to weekly. Nah, it's not looking good. So the 4-hour chart looks like our best bet if you want to use the strategy. The 1 hour is not too good. 15 minutes. Yeah, not bad. So I'll leave it on the 4-hour chart. However, this is what I'm going to do. I want to change things up a little bit. So let me show you. On the chart here, I could see DeepSeek actually used the 50th and the 200th moving average. That's what it did. So the long moving average is the 200th and the short one is the 50th. So the changes I'm going to do is I'm going to ask DeepSeek to get me another code where the short moving average is going to be 20th moving average, and the long one is going to be 50. We're just playing with the figures to see what DeepSeek can give us. So first of all, I'll come here and I'll delete this whole strategy. Go to my Pine Editor, click, highlight everything and delete everything, and go back to DeepSeek. So I'm going to tell DeepSeek, can you replace the long EMA to be, I think we said 50 be 50 EMA, and the short EMA to be 20. Let me make it 21. So it's going to give us a new code where the long EMA is going to be 50 and the short one is going to be 21. So with those parameters, let's see if we can have some progress on the percentage of the profit. So we are just waiting for the code to come out now, and then we take it from there. Yeah, I think it's done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the code here and go back and paste it here. So I've clicked in the control paste, add to chart. Let's see what's happening. So as you can see, this is way more profitable because it's telling us 40.91%. The former one was barely 30 something, and it still made quite some good profit. If I go to trade analysis, winning trades 261, losing trades 37. So apparently it's lost less trades this time. The lost trades are still more than the winning trades, but it's far better than the first one. So what we can do, we can continue playing with this until we get a better statistics. But the bottom line is, I just want to show you how this whole thing works. So, but I'm still going to, all right, 35 for the 1 hour chart, 35 again. Then we go to the daily, 41. So apparently it's looking like the 4 hour chart is our best bet. I'm going to try one new thing out. I'm going to change the pairs. So this is Ethereum. Let me go to BTC. BTC 35, Ripple 36, 32. It's not looking good, bruv. It's not looking good. So apparently I think we better stick to Ethereum. Yeah. So basically, this is what you're going to get with AI, or this is what you're going to get with DeepSeek. You can't keep working and working on trying to change things just to arrive at the better strategy with a good winning percentage. But in this video, I'm just trying to show you how to create something with DeepSeek. My own judgment is not perfect yet. Everything is building up. I'm also going to keep looking for the best AI strategy out there. And when I find it, I'm also going to keep putting it up there for you guys. Yeah. So follow this strategy, try and work it, change things, tweak things all around. Let's all arrive at a better strategy. Please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be dropping more videos on AI strategies from DeepSeek and other AI and trading bots as well. Yeah, thank you guys.